Thing. All right, so here we are. We are at 246 Alta Vista in Daly City, but right at the border of San Francisco and Daly City. This single family house has a huge garage for two cars. So we have washer dryer machine as well. And we go and take a look at the house. And now we proceed to just close this, and there we go. Okay, so we are in the first floor. So there is the first bathroom right here, and we have one bedroom. Then we have another an office right here, and this door will take us into the actual yard of this place. How it close. All right. So we have the yard, so you can see that you have really beautiful views from here. And now we go upstairs. So we have office and bathroom, one bedroom here downstairs. And now we go upstairs where we have three bedrooms and two bathrooms actually. We see the kitchen, which is very upscale, so with new appliances, refrigerator. Now we move into seeing the beautiful living room, and definitely gorgeous views downtown San Francisco. We see Oakland, Hayward, and so definitely an amazing view. This is gorgeous, actually. Gotta see it to actually appreciate it. So we see another bedroom right here, and then recently renovated bathroom with jet streams for the tub, and hardwood floors all over. So we see the other bedroom closet, and it has its own bathroom in here. And so we move into the there is a nest to control the heater and everything else, and then you see the other bedroom. To see this house at 246 Alta Vista, all what you need to do is to contact your usual suspect, you know who, Gustavo Lopez from AMSI at 415-312-5017. Just text me, and we can take it from there to arrange a showing of this gorgeous house at 246 Alta Vista. Thank you for your attention. Have an amazing day.